It's a frightening prediction. The world's population is projected to hit 8.5 billion by the year 2030. One of the big questions is, how will we feed this population? It presents a huge challenge. So the announcement by Wide Open Agriculture that they have produced a lupin seed that can be used as a protein source with a similar yield to soybean and from a plant which fertilises soil as it grows is a massive innovation. Western Australia is a perfect place to do this work because about 80% of the world's sweet lupins are grown here in WA. Whenever I visit the family farm down in the southwest where they do grow lupins, I see them being used as sheep feed. So what is it that you've done to turn sheep feed into a fantastic human food?
Actually, 96% of lupins grown on farm are used in livestock feed. And really, for farmers, that's a really low value way to access the amazing nutritional benefits of lupins. Lupins are 40% protein and 40% fiber. So nutritionally, they're an amazing product. What our technology does is remove the bitter taste and the performance issues to really unlock its value as a human food ingredient. And by doing that, we're able to pay farmers a lot higher value for the lupins because we're using it as a human ingredient into a variety of food applications.
One of the big challenges we're facing is a growing population, and we know that lupins can help deal with that challenge. But another significant challenge we're facing is climate change. How can lupins help us tackle the climate change problem?
So lupins are a great fixer of nitrogen into the ground. And what that means is they pull nitrogen out of the air and put it into the soil. And what that means is it's available for future crops that are planted in that same area to access that nitrogen in the form of protein and create high protein crops for the future. Now, what that means is a farmer can use a lot less artificial fertilizer on their land. Studies have shown that in a lupin wheat rotation, farmers can generate up to 50% less CO2 emissions on farm.
Wow.
Because of the benefits that lupins give them on farm. Lupins also grow in soil that is sometimes very marginal, so very dry, sandy soil, lupins grow really well in. And they need much less water than other comparable crops such as soy. So we really see them as not just a superfood for humans, but a superfood for soil and for farmers.
Lupins have been eaten since the time of the pharaohs, who recognised the value of this nutritious and versatile crop. These days, vegan and vegetarian people looking for non-animal sources of food have to rely largely on soy-based protein. With the rise of plant-based meat substitutes, a new plant protein source with a different flavour profile will give plant-based alternatives a big boost. This new lupin superfood will soon be available in a variety of products like high-fibre breads, high-protein breads, vegan cheeses, oat milks. The fact that this lupin protein tastes so great is just icing on the lupin flour cake.